Your apps might be accessing your contacts, but you can lock them instantly with this hidden iPhone settings. Go to the settings, then tap screen time and open content and privacy restrictions. Make sure it's turned on. Now scroll down to privacy section here and tap contacts. At the top, you will see two options: allow changes and don't allow changes. Here is the trick. If you choose don't allow changes, you lock all contact permissions. Here you'll see your contacts as a group and below a list of apps. Some apps may have access, others may have none. You can tap any app and change maybe to allow access or limited access or maybe remove access completely. Set everything the way you want, then lock it. This protects your private contact list from apps you don't trust. No app can secretly access or change permissions, and no one can modify this without your screen time passcode. So make sure you have set a screen time passcode. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who cares about privacy, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips like this. I post daily, so you don't want to miss the next one.